Good morning, team. Thank you for joining precisely at 11 o'clock a.m. We are launching our annual voluntary planning. Mr. Saracosa, please present the annual logistics.
Miss Rosal, as you can see, we have the preferred location this year. I'd appreciate quick feedback on option A. Can everyone see the details clearly?
Mr. Saracosa, before we proceed, I must confirm if the transportation costs for option B are within our quarter four budget. Thank you.
That's a good point, Mr. Hapos. From a communications perspective, I can confirm that our social media outreach begins next week, regardless of the location. My camera is placed for good eye contact, so please feel free to interrupt if needed.
Budget confirmation from Mr. Hapos and Mr. Rigaton. Well-being outreach praise. I will send out the first action checklist at the end of the day. Thank you everyone for the productive start.